असो केन्ना आमी फायनान्स केल्लो पूण आयज हे जे प्रमाणे तांकां जे आयज PFI म्हणटा ते तांकां बॅन केल्लें आसा त्या साठी तेमी आपोवपा जाय पूण हांव म्हणटा कोणाक आपोवपा जाय तेमी पळोवपा जाय नो डावट समज गरजेची आसा जाल्यार समज कोण प्रोटेस्ट करता जाल्यार वेगळी गोष्ट आमी केन्ना तुमी आमची हिस्ट्री काडून पळयल्या जाल्यार आमी आमच्या देशाक विरोध गांवचे विरोध आमचे लोकल हांकां लागून केन्ना आमी अशें करूं ना जाल्यार तेमी चिंतपाक जाय हें पळोवचें पयलीं बाबा कोणाक एरेस्ट करपाचें कोणाक ना पॉप्युलर फ्रंट मेंबर आसता बाबा तांकां कितें फंडींग कितें करता आमी आयज एक रुपया पासून तांकां केन्ना दिल्लो ना आमी मेंबर आमी समज हें बँक जाल्यार बरोबर तेणी कितें चिंतून केलां तें बरोबर केलां आसतलें पूण तितून अशें आमकां दीसभर आमचो हांगा बेस जालो हितून एक दुसरी दिशा वयता बरें म्हणजे आसा थंय कोण आसा ते थंयच उरले जे कोण अशें इनवॉल्वमेंटान आसता ते उरले अशें दुसऱ्याक अशें त्रास करप न्हू आयज आमकां आमी इनोसंट आहा हांव जाल्यार म्हजे हितून इनोसंट आसा दुसऱ्याक आमी उलोवंक शकना पूण आयज हांव हें म्हणटा की तेमी चिंतून हें करपा जाय पॉलिटिकली अशें तुमी हें करचें न्हू वायलंट जावपाचें न्हू की बॅन केला म्हणून तुमी पूण आमकां संबंद ना न्ही समज हांव मेंबर आसलो नाल्यार आसलो जाल्यार तुमी आमकां हें करता करूंक शकताले पूण आमी मेंबर ना तेमी पयलीं पळोवपा जाय की बाबा कोण हितून मेंबर आहा कोण हितून
आपयले की तुमकां पुलीस घेवन आयले
ना म्हाका आपयले
ते थोडे जण म्हणटा तांकां पुलीस घेवन आयले
हय तांकां तेजे खबर ना म्हाका आपयले तेमी हे जावन फायन पूण म्हाका दिसता की हांव जाल्यार इनोसंट आयलो हांवें केन्ना असले हितून केन्ना आमी पार्टिसिपेट जावंक ना हांवें समज आतां ते म्हणटा की देशाचे विरुद्ध काम करतात अशे थोडे ऑर्गनायजेशन तितून आमी जाल्यार केन्ना पार्टिसिपेट जावना आनी आमी तशें केन्ना आमी लागीं करयना इफेक्ट अशें कांय ना तेमी आतां म्हणलां की अशें बाबा कितें आयज तेमी बॅन केला म्हणून फाल्यां समज रस्त्याचेर तुमी हें करत कित्याक बॅन केला बी म्हणून ती क्वेश्चन रेज करत पूण तेमी आमच्या लागीं ते बरोवन येता आमी तशें केन्ना आमी केलां
अरेस्ट कित्याक केलें
पता नहीं सुबह आए मेरे घर पे मॉर्निंग 9:30 को ऐसा 9:30 और आके 5-6 पुलिस आके मुझे अरेस्ट किए बोलने के चलो सामने बुलाया हम आकर के पूछे तो मालूम पड़ा कि आज कुछ PFI को बैन किया गया है तो उसके थ्रू उन लोगों ने हमसे इंक्वायरी की कि आप PFI को ज्वाइंट हैं आप मेंबर हैं जो भी हमने क्लियरली बता दिया कि हम कोई PFI से ज्वाइन नहीं है हम कोई PFI के मेंबर भी नहीं है तो इस शक के बिना पे शायद उन लोगों ने हम पे वो रूटीन इंक्वायरी की और अभी यहाँ पे कलेक्टर ऑफिस में लेकर आए बेल ये करने के लिए देखते हैं आगे क्या होगा आप लोग कलेक्टर साहब ने कहा क्योंकि ऐसे गलत चीज़ों में आप मत इन्वॉल्व हो जो भी है देश के हित में होना चाहिए ये उनकी तरफ से एक अच्छा मैसेज भी हमको मिला तो सही है और हम भी आज तक आप लोगों ने भी देखा होगा पूरे गोवा के लोग जानते हैं हमने आज तक कोई ऐसा गलत काम नहीं किया है जो देश के हित में देश को हित में ना हो हमने हमेशा वो काम किया जो देश के हित में है और आज तक जो भी सही लगता है वही काम करते हैं कभी बुरा काम गलत काम आज तक कभी हमने किया नहीं कभी PFI कोई भी चीज़ों में हम लोगों ने इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं है उनको शायद हो सकता है कहीं से इन्फॉर्मेशन हो कि वास्को के अंदर ये सोकॉल लीडर्स हैं जो हर एक मुस्लिम्स के इश्यूज लेकर के आगे बढ़ते हैं तो शायद उसी बात के ऊपर उन लोगों ने हम सबको टीम को बुलाया होगा इंक्वायरी के लिए
तो बेसिकली बेस्ड ऑन सस्पिशन आपको बुलाया
शायद
अच्छा
don't have any link to the PFI. Suddenly they called us and told, no, we are taking preventive measures.
But now I have heard that there is arrest been made because surety, bond and surety has been paid.
They take a preventive measure, something they protected. Any link, nothing. Suddenly the police, we got a call to come to the police station, and then they told like the police was like simple.
Shahid, your advocate, you represented them. किती झाले आयज कित्याक आपयल्ले सगळ्यांक?
See what has happened now. Yesterday the PFI organization got banned. Okay. So in the morning I got a call from one of my known friend saying that Mr. Riyaz Kadri has been picked up from his house. Okay. So when I went to the police station inquiring about what has happened, why he has been picked up from his home, when I reached there were around 7 people. 7 people, namely, probably I know them, most of them I know. Okay, so that was the case was that they are being suspected that these people are going to create unrest in the society. That's it. Just because of there was a suspicion on them, there is no link. There is nothing. My parties are totally innocent. This is the part and parcel. I don't know what is going on with the police, what pressure they are getting from the government. Those people have targeted my party here. That's it.
So what
Now the thing is that deputy collector has taken this thing in the cases in hand. He is going to inquire about it and what is the real case. What is the real case? We'll see that what police has the evidence against my party. Okay, so I don't think so. There is any evidence against my parties because my parties are totally innocent. They just have been linked with this. I don't know. There is no linkage at all. There is no nothing, no documents at all. Nothing.
why is the personal bond being asked?
The personal bond is asked just for that. That is a simple. That is a formality.
Arrest after arrest.
Arrest. After detention, they are not call it
It's an arrest.
It's a detention. I call it as detention. You can call it an arrest also. So they have been detained by the police, saying that okay, they need a bond. So in future, if they are about to do something cognizable offence, they can be stopped by the police authorities. That's it. So this is a formality. This is not like okay, they are furnishing the bond here. That means they are criminals. They are nothing like that. Because this furnishing bond before the collector, deputy collector is very normal these days.
So they suspected that there might be any protest or any kind of violence from your party side. That's why they were detained.
That's what they have mentioned before the court deputy collector, that saying that we suspected there might be some type of issues, and they have pinpointed respected citizens of Pasco, saying that these people might be. That's it. So there is no assertion is not there that these people are only here. Okay, that there is no reason of that. Even the deputy collector, now the case is with the deputy collector. Now he is going to inquire about the case, whatever it is. So we'll see what evidence police have, on what grounds they have picked up my parties. It's just a suspicion.
Preventive measures they are taking.
That there is a linkage with the PFI. Just because there was a suspicion, they held my parties here.
How many people were caught?
There were around 7 people here. All are respected citizens of Vasco. They have been picked up from their houses. So that was a wrong on part of police station.
There is no such serious issue as such. When they have been produced before me on the apprehension. Only an apprehension. There is nothing adversely reported against them. And as a precaution, we have released them on a personal bond. And accordingly, I will conduct the inquiry, or I may give a direction to the police also after conducting an inquiry that something is suspicious against them. Nothing more. At this point, I cannot submit.
What is the issue actually?
See, you are aware that then Gazette has been published by the Ministry of Home Affairs regarding the PFI activities or the antisocial elements or the spread of the various activities which are illegally being done by them. In that connection only, this is being as a preventive measure. The police are doing all these inquiries in the present matter. Nothing else.
Yeah, thank you.
We don't have anything serious on it.
Nothing serious here. No
Yes,
PFI
yes.
linkage.
No linkage as such. I have found anything on it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.